I'm Tracy, and welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. Thanks for joining me today in my kitchen. Today we're going to be making lemon coconut bites, my favorite ingredient in the kitchen, lemons. I am very excited. The summer months always make me want to cook with lemons, and so today that's what we're going to be doing. I harp a lot about having snacks on hand, and so that's what we're going to be making today, is a good healthy snack that's tasty yet healthy, that everyone's going to enjoy, and they will be gone before you know it, but let's get cooking. All right, so we are making lemon coconut bites. I love anything lemon, and today is definitely not an exception. We are making, like I said, lemon coconut bites. So you guessed it, we're using lemons, we're using coconut, and some other really great ingredients. We are going to need to zest our lemon. We're going to juice our lemon so we get that fresh lemon in there. Our coconut is unsweetened, but we are adding just a teaspoon of sugar to our bites today. I like to use organic sugar. I talk about in my How I Lost 60 Pounds video about staying away from white. So I don't get enriched white sugar. I always get organic, non-bleached sugar. So that's what we're using there. We have coconut oil. We're gonna have to put that in the microwave just so it melts, because right now you can see it's solid. So we're gonna want that melted. And the other thing is we're using butter. So we're gonna be mixing everything. We want it to be soft. So you want to bring your butter to room temperature beforehand. So I already actually have it pretty soft. It's nice and soft, so we're gonna use it. All we're gonna do is mix everything together in the bowl, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge, and not gonna take too much time there at all, but here we go. All right, so once you have everything in your bowl and nice and stirred, you'll see that it is a little more liquidy because of all that lemon juice and the melted coconut oil that we use. But we're going to put it back in the fridge. We're going to cover it with some saran wrap, and it's only going to be in there for maybe 20-30 minutes until it firms up a little bit and it's firm enough for us to roll into balls. So that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so when you get it out of the refrigerator, you want to make sure that all the liquid is gone in there and it's solidified so that we can roll it into balls now. And it should have taken probably about 25-30 minutes or so. You're just going to scoop it, roll it into balls, and I have an extra amount of coconut shavings here so we can roll it in there. You want to line your bowl that you're going to put it in with wax paper so that it doesn't stick, and if you stack them, make sure you line each row with wax paper. All right, our lemon coconut bites are all done. I just love snacks that are easy to put together. Doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients. The longest portion is letting that butter soften beforehand. But other than that, it's super easy to put together. This is one of those go-to snacks that is great, refreshing for the summer months. And I've talked about how important it is to have snacks on hand, so you don't grab those snacks that aren't so good for you. But let's try one, see how it turned out. I put the extra coconut shavings on the top, rolled it around in there. These are definitely one of those snacks that you have to play with the ingredients a little bit. I put in how much I use, but depending on the size of your lemons, it's going to really affect the tartness and how fresh yours are. Mine were very large, so I could have added a little bit more coconut shavings to it. I didn't, but I like mine tart. So add a little, take a little, but overall they are absolutely easy, absolutely fantastic. If you try them, let me know. Put a comment in the description below if you do. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time in the Tasty Yet Healthy Kitchen.